Hi everyone! Welcome to the Empath Arc. It's another love reading, timeless and general take what resonates lang po. Maybe some part of the reading makaresonate kayo, some part of it hindi. Tingnan natin ngayon kung anong love connections, lessons in life and guidance ang ating mababatid for this reading. Spirit guys, send me messages. Anong love connections ito? Lessons in life and guidance ang nais yung ipabatid sa amin. Mga aral at gabay sa buhay pag-ibig, love life, love, and life in general. Ang nais ninyong ipabati sa atin or yung mga about relationship, guidance, connections, lessons. Spirit guys, send me messages. Oops. Or messages sa spirit guide. Ace of Wands, Seven of Pentacles, Ten of Swords, Three of Swords, Queen of Pentacles, King of Cups, Temperance, Three of Wands, Strength, and Moon. Yan. Three of Swords. Painful. Being broken-hearted. O, tapos nandito yung Ten of Swords. Ibig sabihin, maaring tinapos mo na yung inyong relasyon. Totally, in-end up mo na ang inyong relationship. Or natapos na. It's a painful ending. Pero kapag merong ending, may new beginning. And it will happen in its God's divine timing. Temperance dito, you have to be patient pagdating sa love. Ibig sabihin, wag mong madaliin. Yung iba kasi parang hindi sila, alam nyo na, hindi mapakali kapag walang love life. Wag kayong magpa-pressure dun sa paligid ninyo, mga kaibigan ninyo, kamag-anak, no? Maganda minsan to be alone, to be free, na ikaw lang, kahit single ka, you can do anything that you want, diba? Just take time, especially kung nanggaling ka sa isang hindi maganda at napakasakit na relasyon. Yan o, Three of Swords dito, you are being broken-hearted. No, kailangan mo magpahinga just to heal, to recover, for you to be able to move forward, totally to heal. No, may mga times din dito na just plan to explore. Ibig sabihin, mag-explore ka. Kung single ka ngayon, mag-explore ka, no? Travel, plan to travel, explore, enroll ka sa mga ganitong bagay para meron ka mga bagong matutunan. Huwag ka magmukmok sa isang tabi. Because maybe, kaya talaga tinapos or natapos yung relasyon na yun at nasaktan ka at hindi talaga nag-workout, maybe because hindi naman talaga siya yung, sabihin natin, makapagbibigay ng something or ng bagay or ng love na nais ng puso mo. Magpakatatag ka lang kasi may pinagdaanan kayo ng taong yon, tapos hindi rin nag-work. Pagdating ng huli, naghiwalay man kayo, you need to be stronger. You need to find strength. Kasi every ganyang klaseng bagay, masalimuot, merong yan, blessing in disguise yan. Di ba? Pag minsan kasi future, yan, never, kapag you are so much thinking about your future, paano na ako, ganito, wala na siya sa buhay ko, it just gives you anxiety. Just go on, explore, being single. Work hard. Yan, do some experiments sa buhay mo. Ibig sabihin yan, just explore lang different things, to learn new things, to discover new things, to travel, to a new places, di ba? At maganda dito, bukod doon sa pag-explore na yon, explore, start a new business, or change ng location, take a new career, new work, new job. Di ba? Buti ka, magpakahusay ka, magpakaunlad ka sa sarili mong craft. At yun ang mangyayari. Along the way, sa hindi inaasahan na oras, na panahon, na lugar, na someone will come into your life. At ito yung magbibigay ng panibagong spark dyan sa puso mo. Ace of Wands. This will be a new beginning, that someone will have a good intention, feelings, and very passionate. Yung gustong-gusto ka, darating sa buhay mo yan. Ito, maaring siya na si King of Cups, someone who is mature enough, someone is very emotionally stable, someone is very loving and caring. Maaring ma-attract siya sa'yo, at ikaw naman, you will become more attractive talaga sa lahat ng mga blessings. At maganda yan kasi magmamatch kayo. You are someone is very stable ka na rin, okay ka na, pinaunlad mo na rin ang sarili mo, you grow personally, professionally, you grow in your craft, you flourish. Ayan kaya green to Tapos may rainbow pa dun sa may likod niya. Because napaunlad mo na yung sarili mo sa maraming aspeto ng buhay. At yun yung hinahangaan ng taong tong sayo. Na siya naman, sobrang malambing, mapagmahal. Siya naman yung someone na talaga magpaparamdam sa'yo. Yung pagpapahalaga. At saka yung commitment. And yung sabihin natin, who will take pride and be proud na makasama ka at pakamamahalin ka. And it will happen in its God's divine timing. Kailan yon? Sabi ng iba, diba? Kailan ba yung divine timing na yan? Kailan ba yung perfect timing na yan? When you are ready, when you are stable, when you are already healed. Kasi paano ipapakilala sa iyo isang tao, panibagong tao na magmamahal sa iyo ng lubusan kung ikaw sa sarili mo hindi ka pa healed? Kung ikaw sa sarili mo, hindi mo pa alam ang halaga mo. Kung ikaw sa sarili mo, you are distracted pa. But when you already move forward with your life, you enjoy your life, you are grateful to your life, nag-explore ka, then darating suddenly sa hindi inaasahang oras, araw, o pagkakataon, bigla mong mamimit to. Maaring siya na talaga yung para dyan sa nais ng puso mo. Diba minsan kasi it will happen in unexpected ordinary time. Parang wala lang, parang everyday lang, ganito. Tapos nag-explore ka, nag-travel ka, punta ka sa isang places, dun mo pala siya makikilala, that you have the same passion. Tapos dun mo ma-feel na parang ang tagal nyo na magkakilala. So, mararamdaman, ay, siya na, yung panibagong makakapagpatibok ng puso mo. calling in your soulmate. Your prayers, affirmations, and visualization help you bring together. Ayan maari kasing siya na yung soulmate mo eh. Kaya yung mga prayers mo, yung mga affirmations mo, yung visualizations mo, makakatulong talaga yan. No? In order for the universe to call na when it's the right time na your soulmate, and it will come to you in unexpected ordinary time. At you will be happy kasi siya yung desire ng puso mo, kasi siya yung pinapanalangin mo, kasi siya yung nasa visualization mo. Okay? So just believe. Just believe and it will happen to you. Okay, so yun lang po. Maraming salamat po for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Facebook and TikTok. Have a good day po and God bless.